Hi everybody. In this video we're going to take another look at the Dodge and Burn tool. I had previously made a video about the Dodge and Burn tool, which are right here, where the Dodge tool can make an area of an image lighter and the Burn tool can make areas of an image darker. But this time around we're going to look at it in a different way, where we can use these tools and not destruct any pixels. So when we use it this time around, this technique will allow you to use the Dodge and Burn without permanently changing the pixels of your image, and we can easily go back or erase the effects made from these two tools. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is a new layer. And I'm going to go to my fill bucket here and pick a color. Now the color I'm looking for is 50% black, so I'm just going to slide my picker all the way to the left side here, and where I'm looking to be is for the HSB, which stands for hue, saturation, and brightness. I want it to be H as 0, S as 0, and brightness at 50%. So we're looking for a 50% gray, and there are many ways of adding this layer, but I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, so now that I have this 50% gray layer on top, I am going to change the blend mode of it to overlay. And you'll notice there's no change when you mix or blend overlay with a 50% black. However, this is the layer that we're going to be dodging and burning, and it can easily be turned off or lightened later on. So let's get started here. I'm going to go first to the Burn tool, and I'll show you how this works. I'm going to make my brush size bigger and my exposure maybe to about 25%. And let's take a look. You can see that what I'm doing is dodging, and maybe just for purposes of this video I might move this to 50% just so you see the effect a little bit quicker. You can see how I'm able to make areas of this image a little bit darker, and you can see here what I'm doing. I am actually burning the overlaid layer. Now let's do the opposite. I'm going to use the Dodge tool and I'm going to try to make areas lighter. So let me bring this to 50%. As you can see, I can lighten an image or parts of an image, and you can see how I'm lightening only the areas on this layer, and I'm not touching the pixels on the image layer. This layer can be turned on and off. This layer could also be reduced in opacity, which will lessen the effects of the Dodge and Burn tool. So this is a great way to dodge and burn an image and not permanently change the pixels of that image. Good luck and give it a try.